Welcome to Couples Sans Souci. We are in the F block, room 204. Come on in. The category of this room is Premier Ocean Suite. Come on in, let me show you around. We're gonna start over here with the closets first. So if we open the closets, you're gonna see you have your ropes here and a full open closet where you can hang all of your clothes. We also have a luggage holder too, if you need that. Moving on to the other closet, we have our safe and we have some drawers here if you want to put a few things. They're not massive, but you can fit a few of your things in there. We also have two umbrellas, which are handy, an ironing board and an iron with some extra pillows if you need. All right, moving on. This area is where you would put your luggage so you have a nice clean and tidy room with some hooks in addition. Okay, let's go to one of my favorite parts, the washroom or the restroom. Come on in. I absolutely love how open and wide it feels. You have a fulsome mirror. The mirror is huge, so you don't have to share space between you and hubby or you and your partner. You have a fulsome mirror. This whole suite and all the suites have been renovated, so you have a nice white marble countertop. It's a one sinker, which I still love though because you have enough counter space to put all of your products. Now, this part is my absolute favorite. We have two showers, two separate showers. So one on one side, one on the other side. You can enjoy with your own shower gel and shampoo and conditioner on both sides. If you come on in over here, we have more areas where you can hang your towels, and then we have the toilet. So just nice and spacious washroom, which is absolutely great. I love it. So come with me. I also love that the doors are barn doors, so you can easily close this door and open it, and it just feels more open concept. All right, here we are to the king size bed. Now, let's be honest, I just came back from the ocean. I am wet, but we gotta do my signature and test it out. Oh yeah, I like it. It's comfy. It's comfy, it's huge. There's all your needs. Come with me. Over here, we also have a little area where you can sit. I like this area specifically to put on my heels and my going out shoes. So it's nice, it's comfortable, and it'll do the trick. We also have a TV. TV is pretty big. We have not turned the TV on yet, so it's on the main menu. All right. Over here, we have another full-length mirror. I love this. You can take photos, you can look at your outfits. It's a nice vibe. Also, mirrors always make the place look bigger, even though you do not need this room to be any bigger. It's huge, but again, I love it. You see the sun coming in. You also see the palm trees in the reflection, so it's gorgy. Very nice vibes. Over here, we have two lounging chairs. You can read, enjoy a drink with your partner, and get cozy. They're nice and big chairs. You wanna relax, take your time, relax here if you like. All right, moving on to your bar area. So over here, we have some extra glasses, which I can appreciate. They came with a lot of glasses. You have your ice bucket if you need it. We have some additional water bottles here. And then our fridge. Our fridge comes stocked with pop and a couple beers with some juice as well. Over here in our cabinets here, we have a coffee maker and we have some tea as well and coffee if you want to enjoy that. To be honest, I haven't looked yet in these cupboards, so let's see if there's anything in this one. No, this one's just empty, but again, extra storage if you need it. You can put some stuff in there. Okay, moving on to the fun part, the balcony. This balcony has amazing views, incredible views. This is an area where you can really relax and unwind, so come with me. All right, welcome to your oasis. If you come out here, you're gonna have a nice little bed that you can lounge on. To be honest, you probably can get some sun as well and some UV rays if you want to just enjoy a nice tan, or again, just kind of chill and relax and unwind on your balcony. We also have a table here if you want to enjoy some coffee, or again, just unwind or even eat room service. You can do it out here. Now, the best part is the view. I'm sure you can see the ocean right behind me with all of the palm trees. It's an incredible view. So here you have your garden view as well as a bit of the ocean. And then to your left, I really love the F block because to your left, you're gonna see the main eating area. You're gonna have your piano bar just right down here and the lobby. So this area I find to be very convenient, this block itself. It's close to everything with amazing views. What else can you ask for? All right, let's go on in because I want to close these doors. The air conditioning is great in here. So let's keep the air in because it is a really warm evening. So that takes us to the end of our Premier Ocean Suite tour. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any questions, I want you to leave them down below and we can answer you there. Please like and subscribe if you liked this video or if you found it helpful and you want to see more room tours like this.